The bus stop.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Oh, sure. What's wrong?
I am lost. I need to find the post office.
The post office? Okay, it is on Elm Street.
Is it far from here? Can I walk?
No, it is quite far. You should take a bus.
Oh no, I need to send a gift to my family today.
Don't worry, taking the bus is easy.
But I am new here. I do not know which bus to take.
No problem. You can take the number 12 bus.
The number 12.
Yes, it stops right in front of the post office.
That is wonderful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You can wait here. I am also waiting for a bus.
Thank you. My name is Maria.
Nice to meet you, Maria. I'm David.
Are you a student, David?
No, I work at the hospital nearby. What about you?
I am a student. I just arrived last week.
Welcome to the city.
Thank you. It is very different from my home.
Oh, look, the number 12 bus is coming now.
Wow, speak of the devil.
Yes, that is your bus.
Thank you again, David. You are very kind.
Have a good day, Maria.
At the doctor office.
Good afternoon, Mr. Johnson. How are you feeling today?
Good afternoon, doctor. Not very well, I'm afraid.
What seems to be the problem?
I have a really bad cold. My nose is running and I can't stop sneezing.
I see. Do you have a fever?
Yes, I checked this morning. It was 101 degrees.
That is quite high. How long have you felt this way?
It started 3 days ago. At first, it was just a sore throat.
And now?
Now my whole body aches. I feel very weak.
Let me check your temperature and listen to your lungs. Take a deep breath, please.
Okay, doctor.
Good. You have the flu.
The flu? Is it serious?
You will be fine. You need to rest and drink lots of water.
Should I stay home from work?
Yes, absolutely. Rest is very important. Stay in bed for a few days.
How long will it take to feel better?
Usually about a week. I will give you some medicine to help.
Thank you, doctor.
Take this 3 times a day with water.
Helping a neighbor with heavy books.
Oh, excuse me. Those boxes look very heavy.
Yes, they are. I am moving some books to my apartment.
Do you need some help?
Oh, that would be wonderful. Thank you so much.
No problem at all. Which floor do you live on?
The 3rd floor, apartment 3B.
Okay. I live on the same floor, apartment 3D.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Yes, I just moved in last month. My name is Robert.
Nice to meet you, Robert. I am Susan.
Nice to meet you too, Susan. What are all these books for?
I am a teacher. These are textbooks for my students.
That's a lot of books. Teaching must keep you very busy.
Yes, it does. But I love my job.
Here we are, 3rd floor.
Great. You can put the box right here by the door.
Okay. Do you have more boxes downstairs?
Yes, I have 2 more. Would you mind helping me with those 2?
Not at all. Let's go get them.
You are very kind, Robert. Thank you.
It's my pleasure. That's what neighbors are for.
Excuse me? I think
you are in my seat.
Oh, I don't think so. My ticket is for the window, seat 12A.
Wait, my ticket says 12A, and 12A is the window seat.
That's strange. I always thought A was the aisle seat.
No, A is always the window seat. B is the middle seat. C is the aisle.
Oh my goodness, you are right. My ticket does say 12B.
And 12B is the middle seat.
I am so sorry. I wanted the window, so I just sat here. I made a mistake.
No problem. It is an easy mistake.
I will move right now. Thank you for being so kind.
Of course. This is my first time on this train.
Oh, really? Where are you traveling to?
To Boston. I have a job interview there.
That's wonderful. Good luck with your interview.
Thank you. Are you going to Boston too?
Yes, I go there every month for work.
Do you like the train?
Yes, very much. It's comfortable and I can work on my laptop.
That's true. And the view is nice.
Exactly. That's why I always book the window seat. Enjoy the best view today.
Thank you. Have a good trip.
You too. Good luck in Boston.
A windy day at the park. Excuse me, is this seat free?
Oh, yes. Please, go ahead.
Thank you. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is. The sun is shining and it's warm.
It is much nicer than yesterday.
I know. Yesterday was so cold and cloudy.
I wore my big coat all day.
Me too. I am happy it is sunny today.
Oh, the wind is starting again.
And look at the sky. It is getting dark.
The weather changes so fast here in Chicago.
You can say that again. 1 minute, it's sunny.
Do you think it will rain?
I think so. I just felt a drop of rain.
Oh no, I don't have my umbrella.
I have one. I always bring my umbrella.
That is very smart. My mother always says, better safe than sorry.
That's a good saying.
Look, it's raining harder now.
I should go home. My apartment is near here.
Okay, I am going to the coffee shop across the street.
That's a good idea. It was nice to meet you. Good evening, Mr. Johnson. Did you have a good day?
Good evening. Yes, thank you. Very nice.
Great to hear. Would you like dinner tonight?
Yes, I'm very hungry now.
Wonderful. What is your room number, please?
215.
One moment. Yes, dinner is included.
Super, thank you. What do you have today?
We have chicken, fish, pasta, and soup. Everything is fresh.
And drinks?
Of course. Water, soda, juice, and wine.
Perfect. Can I order the fish?
Of course. Grilled or fried.
Grilled, please.
Good choice. Rice or vegetables.
Vegetables, please.
Excellent. And soup first?
Yes, please. What kind?
Tomato soup or chicken soup?
Tomato soup, please.
Perfect. Your soup will come in 5 minutes.
Thank you. Do you have bread?
Yes, right on the table, with butter.
Ah, perfect. This is my first dinner in Chicago.
Then welcome. Do you like the city?
Yes, very much. The people are really friendly.
I'm glad to hear that. Have a nice evening.
You do.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you need help to cross the street?
Oh, thank you, dear. Yes, it's a little difficult for me today.
No problem. I'll walk with you.
That's very kind. The traffic is so fast now.
Don't worry. We'll wait until the light turns green.
I always forget how to push the green button for walk.
That's okay. You can say the pedestrian button or just the walk button. I'll show you.
Thank you. I usually say I press the button, but is it correct?
Almost. We usually say, I push the button. Press is okay too, but push sounds more natural.
Ah, push the button. Got it. Thank you.
Great. Now we wait for the green light.
The cars are so fast. I think I am walking very slow today.
You're walking just fine. Safety is more important than speed.
Thank you, dear. You are very patient.
It's my pleasure. Almost there, and now we cross slowly together.
Thank you again. Young people like you are very kind.
You're welcome. Have a safe day, ma'am.
Helping hand at the laundromat.
Hi, excuse me. I've never been to this laundromat before. Do these washing machines take coins or cards?
Welcome. They actually take both. Most people use coins, but the card option works too.
Good to know. I'll use coins then. How many do I need for one wash?
3 coins for a regular load, and 4 if you want the heavy wash.
I think regular is fine. I only have bills, though. Can I get some change?
Of course. The change machine is over there, but I can break it for you here too. How much do you need?
Just enough for 2 loads, please.
Here you go. And would you like me to show you how to start the machine?
Yes, please. I always get confused with new machines.
No worries. Just open the door, put your clothes in, add detergent in this little tray, close it, choose your wash level, and press the big start button.
Oh, that's actually easy. I thought it would be more complicated.
It's simple once you know it. And if you need help with drying later, just call me.
Thank you. You've been really helpful.
Anytime. Enjoy your wash.
At the jewelry store. Good morning. Can I help you with something?
Yes, please. I am looking for a gift for my wife.
That's wonderful. What is the occasion?
It is our wedding anniversary next week.
Congratulations. What kind of gift are you thinking about?
I want to buy her a necklace. She loves jewelry.
That's a great choice. Does she prefer gold or silver?
She usually wears silver jewelry.
Perfect. Let me show you our silver collection.
Thank you. Oh, this one is beautiful.
Yes, that is one of our best sellers. It has a small diamond pendant.
How much does it cost?
It is $120, but we have a special discount today, 20% off.
That's a good deal. So it would be $96.
Exactly. Would you like me to wrap it as a gift?
Yes, please. That would be lovely.
Of course. I will put it in a nice box with a ribbon.
Perfect. My wife will love it.
I am sure she will. Will you be paying with cash or card?
Credit card, please.
Great. Here is your receipt. Happy anniversary.
Thank you so much for your help.
At the bakery.
Good morning. Welcome. What can I get for you today?
Good morning. I want one bread, please.
You got it. 1 fresh bread. Anything else?
Yes, and 2 cookies for my children.
Sure. 1 bread and 2 cookies.
Your children, they like chocolate cookies?
Yes. My daughter, she loves chocolate.
Wonderful. 2 chocolate cookies. Your English is very good, you know?
Oh, thank you. I feel shy.
You don't need to be. You are speaking very well.
I make mistakes.
Everyone does. Can I give you a small tip?
Yes.
When you said, I want, which is perfect, when you talk about your daughter, she, you just add an S. So, she loves chocolate.
Oh, yes. I forget the S.
No worries. It is a very common mistake.
I love, she loves. I eat, she eats.
Exactly. You got it.
I want 1 bread. She loves chocolate.
Perfect. That will be $8, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in 1 minute.
Thank you for your help.
Of course. Have a great day.